Immediately after the signing of the Declaration of Independence, founding father Benjamin Franklin said a famous quote, "We must all hang together, or most assuredly we shall all hang separately." This is an important quote, not just for the founding fathers in the 18th century, but it's an also equally important quote, as I see it, for the Second Amendment movement in the United States today, where we all must hang together. And I want to talk about this important thing in conjunction with something I just found out about, which is I received just recently the 2022 Defender of the Bill of Rights Award, which we're going to talk about in conjunction with that Franklin quote when we get back. Hey folks, I'm Mark Smith, host of the Four Boxes Diner Second Amendment channel, proud American gun owner, constitutional attorney, and member of the United States Supreme Court Bar. If you haven't subscribed to the Four Boxes Diner, please do so and show your love for the right to keep and bear arms. I just want to take a brief moment to thank Alan Gottlieb and his wife Julianne for hosting me and many other members of the Second Amendment movement down in Dallas, Texas just recently for the Gun Rights Policy Conference. At this event, there was a lot of great people down there. I met a lot of people, chatted with a lot of people, learned a lot about where Second Amendment litigation and where the Second Amendment movement is in the United States. It was very valuable, and thank you to Alan, the Second Amendment Foundation, and to Julianne, and to others for hosting us. I also want to thank you and just bring to your attention, and I was completely shocked to get this. I was definitely not ready for this. I received an award, actually, by the Bill of Rights. Basically, it's the 2022 Bill of Rights Award by the Citizens Committee for the Right to Keep and Bear Arms. A great award, and I can read it to you. It says it was presented to me, Mark Smith, in recognition and appreciation for my commitment to the individual right to keep and bear arms and for my strong leadership in educating people about the inalienable natural right to defense of self, family, and country. I want to just tell you briefly what I said when I accepted this award, which was really quick. I said, look, thank you very much, of course, but remember, protecting all individual rights in the Constitution and the right to keep and bear arms is a team effort. We all have a role to play. Now, we all don't play the same role. Some of us are scholars. Some may be historians. Some may be lawyers and litigators. Others may just be activists. Others may be political activists, may be lobbyists, may raise money, whatever it is. We all in the Second Amendment movement have a role to play to make sure the inalienable right to keep and bear arms preserved and recognized by the Second Amendment's right to keep and bear arms is protected. And, I have a particular role to play that I'm trying to fulfill as sort of a scholar, as a public intellectual, as a pundit in the national media to make sure that our voice is heard and that the anti-gun academics out there do not overwhelm us and create an impression that they are intellectually superior, that they know more than we do, because they don't. So I'm playing that role as I see it with this channel to force multiply by information I give to you for you to go out and use, whether it be at your gun clubs, your PTA meetings, whether it be your school board meetings, whatever it is that you're in the courts, whatever it is that you do. I hope I provide this information to you. And again, I want to thank the Citizens Committee for the right to keep and bear arms and the Second Amendment Foundation for this wonderful award, the 2022 Bill of Rights Award, which again, I'm not sure I'm worthy, but I appreciate it and thank you so much for doing it. And again, I look forward to working with everyone in the Second Amendment community to continue our fight to protect our American Constitution, our American way of life, and yes, of course, our right to keep and bear arms. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the Four Boxes Diner, please do so, and we'll see you again soon here at the Four Boxes Diner.
Orders up. Table 2A.